Subscribe and download over 1 million code snippet including this tutorial from codegive.com, link in the description below. Selenium WebDriver is a powerful tool for automating web browsers, and it supports multiple programming languages, including Python. In this tutorial, we will focus on using Python with Selenium WebDriver to open a URL in a web browser. Before you start, make sure you have the following installed. Let's create a simple Python script that uses Selenium WebDriver to open a URL in the Google Chrome browser. Open your favorite text editor or integrated development environment, IDE. Create a new Python script, for example, open_URL_example.py. Import the necessary modules at the beginning of your script. Replace /path/to/chromedriver with the actual path to the chromedriver executable on your system. Replace https://www.example.com with the URL you want to open. Here's the complete Python script. Remember to replace the chromedriver path and URL with the appropriate values for your setup. Save the script and run it using the following command in your terminal or command prompt. This will launch the Google Chrome browser. Open the specified URL, wait for a few seconds, if you added the delay, and then close the browser. Congratulations! You've successfully created a Python script using Selenium WebDriver to open a URL. ChatGPT